Here is how you can make the apps bigger on the iPad. Let me show you exactly how you can approach this. And if it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So we need to go to the settings app, of course, and on the left panel, make sure you click on the home screen and app library menu. So you can click on it like this. And there are a few options, and literally the first one at the top is called use large app icons. And this is the thing which you can enable like this with the toggle, and now the app icons are a little bit larger. It may be a little bit harder to notice the difference. It's not like a huge jump, but I guess it does work, and that's the thing you can do. Outside of that, inside of the display and brightness, we have the ability to get to the display zoom at the bottom, which also changes the size, and there are two modes, which is the default one and more space. And obviously the default one has larger icons, so if you are by any chance set to the more space mode, make sure you come back to the default one so you can enjoy the larger icons. Then you can also change the text size. It's also part of the display and brightness, which doesn't directly impact the icons, but the text below them and also around the whole iPad. So I guess this is an interesting option for a lot of people as well. So these are the main ways you can do this. There are also some accessibility features, right? Like in here, we also have some larger text options, right? And also some things like the zoom feature and so on, but these are a little bit different and not directly impacting the icons on the home screen. So that's something I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.